Hello, everyone. Welcome to the class of E-Plan and Electrical Control Technology. In the previous course, we used the part-based design method to draw the electrical schematic diagram of this project. We know that the benefit of part-based design is that the drawing contains product information of equipment, which provides a basis for later generation of layout plans and material reports. Today, we will learn how to generate a report. We have been emphasizing that the powerful functions of E-Plan are reflected in all aspects in the design process. But from the perspective of design concept and work efficiency, the most prominent function is the report function. So, what exactly is a report? A report is to screen out the data information generated in the project design process in a graphical form and output a type of project drawing page generated. A report can be a file used to export project data to an external file for use by third parties. E-Plan electrical design is mainly divided into two levels. One is the design level, including symbol-based design and part-based design. The other is the display level. The designed project contains a lot of properties information, which is displayed on the drawings as required through reports and charts. For example, in the quotation stage, the report can summarize the price information of parts in the project to facilitate project cost accounting. In the procurement stage, the material report automatically generated on the basis of electrical schematic diagrams can provide a summary list required for procurement. During production, if you want to know the model and position of each part on the drawing, a summary table of parts is needed. It should be noted that all the displayed information is based on the project data, which means that the creation of parts is a necessary prerequisite for generating reports. The two levels of work complement each other. Design is the foundation, and only correct design can generate correct reports, while clear reports are exactly the embodiment of correct design. According to the results generated by the reports, there are two types of reports. One is to display the report information with a whole page of drawings, similar to the form of schematic diagram page. The other type of reports are embedded in other drawing pages. For example, in the layout of mounting plate, a component list is embedded beside the mounting plate to describe the model and quantity of components on the mounting plate. This kind of charts are called embedded reports, which are manually placed in the drawing pages with less space. As shown in the table above, E-Plan provides a variety of reports from the perspective of actual purpose of the project. However, not all types of reports need to be generated for each project. You can select the report type you want to generate according to the requirements of the project. After understanding the concept of the report, let's generate the material report of equipment based on the schematic diagram of this project. The specific operation steps are as follows. First, a summary table of parts is generated automatically. The operation method is to click Tools, Report, Generate in the menu bar. Select this project in the pop-up Report dialog box, click Page as output type, and click New. Select Summary Table of Parts as report type in the pop-up Confirm Report dialog box, and click OK. In the pop-up Summary Table of Parts, click OK with default format. At this time, we can see that a summary table of parts is automatically generated in the Page Navigator. Double-click to open it. All the parts in this project are summarized in the table. Next, let's command the software to automatically generate a material report. The operation method is to click Tools in the menu bar to edit properties outside. Select Export Data and select the target file in the pop-up dialog box. We place the target file on the computer desktop under the file folder named 3-Stage Conveyor Belt. Modify the file name to 3-Stage Conveyor Belt and click OK. At this time, an Excel sheet named 3-Stage Conveyor Belt will automatically pop up. This form is the equipment and material reports used when we purchase. Dear class, after the report is automatically generated, if the properties of components, terminals, cables, and other equipment in the schematic diagram are to be modified, the generated report needs to be updated without manual modification. The specific operation method is to select the whole project in Page Navigator and click Tools, then Report, then Update to complete report update. In this lesson, we focused on the function of ePlan to automatically generate reports. During the project design process, a large amount of data information is screened and summarized through automatic report generation. The generated reports have clear objectives and various types, which greatly improves the work efficiency of design. Okay, that's all for today. See you next time.